this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick LARIAT. Coming in this nice white color, and this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we've got a tow hitch, rear park sensing, your backup camera, a Bedliner with this vehicle as well, mud flaps on the rear and front with a side view camera, blind spot detection, and moving to the front real quick, we have front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats with carpet interior, little storage here. You do get under seat storage as well, which is pretty handy. You do get cup holders as well, plus arm space. We have outlets, a little hook to hold things, and a 120 volt outlet. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, but we get the additional Maverick logo on the front seats, plenty of door space up front. You got your B&O sound system, lights, and trailer brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 24 kilometers. We do get this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, drive modes, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Look in here, we do get My View, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, navigation, and other settings. To my right, we have a gear select, parking brake, traction, auto stop, auto start, with tons of storage and cup holders, wireless charging pad, 12 volt, more outlets, and we do get a powered rear window opener. Look in here, we have our Pro Trailer Assist, auto hold, max temp, hazards, a nice 360 view of your vehicle, play back, play forward, volume, and above me we do have our features for our sunroof, which provides lovely light for the vehicle. Got your nice 13.2 inch sound system, or not sound system, infotainment system with storage above. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You do get your navigation, add phone settings, features, and apps with your climate controls at the bottom with dual climate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. Here's what your navigation looks like, pretty handy so you don't get lost, and you do get little widgets on the side here as well, so you can leave your audio on and have your navigation open. You got your settings right here as well, sync navigation, vehicle settings, all that jazz. Features of the vehicle such as your driving assist, towing, and any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB06762, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.